Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are opening Walmart Spring 2021 beauty box. Its price range little bit they increased $2, used to be $5, and it's gonna be our first time. And it's kind of Walmart beauty box, beauty related box. You will get like healthy lifestyle skincare item every 3 months. So let's see what is inside my box. Here the box, it's a seasonal box. Every 3 months, if you have a membership, you can get this box. And inside, I don't know this month, guys. This is my first Walmart beauty box after they increased the price. And I'm really curious. So, when we open, here's my information. Here, Walmart Beauty Spring 2021 box, and also inside it's like they show you possibly which item you might get. And to be honest with you, my box is like 50-50. So first item, Tenologist, the face and body drops. This is the packaging look like. Guys, sorry for lighting. So this is only sample size. This is our first product, I guess. The second one, Hello activated charcoal toothbrush, whiten natural, removes plaque, freshen breath and tastes awesome. So I have never used Hello brand, but I know it's a clean brand, and I'm okay to try this one. Also, we are receiving, let me put this here, Hello toothbrush, bamboo, I guess, like a recycle friendly to be, if I can open. So it's like a black toothbrush. It's like, okay. And next item in our box for our hair, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 piece color. I like the color. I guess is like for winter and summertime is like you can use. It's good. I have a long hair, so good to go. And Hamster Witch Hazel alcohol-free toner. This toner is like Soothe with Rose. Sorry, excuse me. So soothe your skin sense with the Wild Wonder certificate organic. So it's, which means it's clean brand. When you have a certificate organic, vegan, cruelty free. So it's good. Decent size is a sample size. Not a sample, I guess, travel size. And last item, I don't think so I will use it, Dashing Diva Gloss Gel Manicure Ultra Shine. The color is nice, I never tried before. I don't know, it's like lasts up to 14 days. So, for $7, I get toner, one toner, toothbrush, gel manicure things, sample size of the 10 I10, hair band 5 piece, and toothbrush, bamboo toothbrush. So to be honest, yes, if someone like a gel manicure, I think is good. Might be a good box for them, but for me, I will show it to you something. It's showing possibly which item you can get. It's say Olay Ultra Rich Moisturizer. I wish I could get that one. Or Hydration Primer, Hard Candy Share, or Bliss Drench Hydration Cream. This 3 is showing Olay primer, and for me, I get the product I already show it to you. So what do you think about this Walmart beauty box? For me, 10 of 5, 5.4 Walmart beauty spring box. Okay guys, if you enjoy this video, please subscribe this channel and take care of yourself. Enjoy your day. I'm gonna see you all next